Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're doing the unboxing of the Prime Mini Wireless. This is the little brother of the big brother of the Prime Wireless. Just think about this, simplest way I can explain it. Just pretend you have a brother who is 1 year older than you. That is the big Prime. This is the Mini Prime. I do want to apologize before we continue doing this unboxing video. I had the Eprex 10 keyless wireless 2023 version. I do want to say that I'm very sorry I didn't do the unboxing video of this because me, who made a fatal mistake, I put it in time-lapse mode. I was recording it, and then when I started editing it, I was like, why is it going fast? And then I just realized I had it in a different mode. Usually I will put it in video mode on my GoPro. But yeah, fun times. So let's continue. Now, this is not my main mouse. The Aerox 5 wireless is not my main mouse. It's a good mouse for me when I play Diablo 4 because all the buttons it has on the side. But my intention was to use this mouse only for those type of games. I need something for FPS purposes. And I never tried out the Prime Mini Wireless. Now, what is the dimensions compared to the Prime and the Mini is that lengthwise, the Mini is about 120.3 millimeters and the older brother is about 125.3 millimeters. Now, it's 66.2 millimeters and then depth is 40.7 millimeters. Now, compare that to the Prime. Is 67.9 millimeters, and then the depth is about, how tall it is, 42.4 millimeters. So I think someone's gonna criticize me on that, so I'm ready for it. Weight wise, this one weighs about 73 grams, the other one weighs about 80 grams. So let's unbox this bad boy. Now, I do want to say why I am opening this with one hand. As a matter of fact, let me put the camera right here to make life easier. And actually, let me zoom it. Perfect, zoom it out. So there is one mouse I am waiting for, and I'm excited to try out that mouse, but I have to wait. Hopefully by the end of this upcoming week I will get it. Now, also, I've been using the Razer DeathStalker V3, but ever since I tried the M8 from Xify, I feel like for me, and I see the difference, and also I did a lot of recording videos while I was playing other first-person shooter games like Tarkov, Warzone, and of course BattleBits, which, by the way, definitely get that game. That game is so freaking fun. It really brought back a lot of good. It kind of bringing back that Battlefield 3 type of feel that I like. That I missed a lot, and BattleBits really does a good job of covering that. So when I was playing all those games, I realized that my aim was better when I go a little bit of a smaller mouse. So I was trying to find that small mouse that will still be good enough for me to palm grip, but also comfortable enough for me to continue playing long gaming sessions. All right, so this is the mouse itself. Now, let's see how this thing feels in my hands. Oh, it feels perfect in my hands. Very clicky, but it uses the optical switches. Has 2 side buttons. So let me do a quick sound test. I'm gonna put the mic close to the mouse. So at the bottom, you have Virgin, yes, that's what's the name of these mouse feet, according to SteelSeries website. Virgin mouse feet. That right there is your DPI button, and this is your on and off switch. Now, if you're somebody who wants to have a mouse to go with Bluetooth and 2.0, walk away because this is not the mouse for you. If you want something like this, of course, you can go with Razer has offerings like this, Rockcat, any other company who offers Bluetooth and wireless, you do have that option to go with. This means for serious business, for esports, for competitive. So, sorry. So I'm gonna set everything up. And before I do, I'm gonna show you more stuff that comes within the box. Of course, you get the product information guide. You get this nice power cord cable, but I don't know if it's really flexible. USB-A to USB Type-C. And of course, the bulkness of these two upcoming things that come with the Prime Mini. Of course, if you are familiar with SteelSeries products, especially with the wireless products, you already know, of course, spoiler, all that, if you can see that, it comes with this big, bulky USB wireless receiver and the USB adapter itself. Now, both ends are USB Type-C. At the bottom, you got this nice rubberized grip to give you really good traction. That way it doesn't go nowhere. As you see, I am trying to push this thing and this thing doesn't go. If an earthquake happens, this thing's not gonna go nowhere. Maybe I'm over exaggerating that part, but just trying to analogy the best I can. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. What I am going to do, I am going to set everything up and show you how it looks when it lights up, and then we'll end the video right there. So let's get right to it. One thing I forgot to mention, I believe only one RGB zone right here at the top, but I think that's only on the Prime Wireless, but I kind of want to guess it is on the Prime Mini as well. Stand by. So I set everything up, updated to the latest firmware, and it does have one RGB zone on the scroll wheel itself. So one last thing just to show you guys how it looks in my hands, how it fits in my hands. Fits perfectly, but the question is how I'm gonna do in games. So I am gonna make videos of it, do field testing, and upload those maybe by the end of this week. So till then, ladies and gentlemen, I'll talk to you guys later. Hasta mañana. Goodbye.